Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to chat about something super exciting, cryptos that might go up in the next month. Remember, this isn't financial advice, it's just us talking about what's happening in the market and some coins that could do well soon. So, let's dive in. Before we get started, let's talk about the platforms you'll need to trade or invest in these coins. Two of the best platforms out there are Binance and OKX. While both are excellent, I recommend OKX for its simple user interface and wide variety of trading options. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you can register easily and potentially get some cool bonuses. So make sure to check that out. First, we can't talk about the crypto market without starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the leader, right? It's the big boss. When Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the market usually follows. It's kind of like the sun, and the altcoins are the planets orbiting around it. If Bitcoin starts to pump, you'll often see other coins start to move too. On the flip side, if Bitcoin drops, it can drag everything else down with it. So whatever happens to Bitcoin really sets the mood for the whole crypto market. Now let's talk about some specific coins, starting with Cardano or ADA. Cardano has been around for a while, and it's known for being super focused on doing things the right way. The team behind it has been working on making it faster, better, and more reliable. They've got smart contracts which let people build apps on their blockchain, and more projects are popping up there. If Bitcoin does well, Cardano could see some good gains too, especially since people are keeping an eye on what's coming next for Cardano. Next up is Filecoin. Filecoin is all about storage, like saving your files on the internet, but in a way that doesn't depend on big companies like Google or Amazon. Instead, it's decentralized. That's a fancy word for saying there's no one company in control. It's spread out. With more people talking about Web3, the idea of a more open internet, Filecoin could really blow up. Think about it. As more apps and websites move to Web3, they're going to need storage, and Filecoin is ready for that. Before I continue, I just want to thank Re.Pay for sponsoring this video. It's the easiest way to manage your crypto. You can transfer your USDT or any other crypto from any exchange straight to Re.Pay. Get a digital card and a physical card to use your crypto anytime, anywhere. Plus, when you sign up, you will get a free $5. Check out the link in the description. Now let's talk about Polkadot or DOT. Polkadot is like a bridge between blockchains. You know how it's annoying when different apps or systems don't work together? Polkadot fixes that for blockchains. They've got something called parachains, which are like mini blockchains that can plug into Polkadot and work together. This makes Polkadot really useful. If the market starts to go up, Polkadot is one of those coins that often jumps quickly because it has a lot of people using it and talking about it. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about Pepe. Yep, a meme coin. I know what you're thinking. Meme coins? Really? But here's the thing about meme coins like Pepe. They're fun, they're risky, and they can go crazy when the market is hot. Pepe has been trending lately, and these kinds of coins thrive on hype. If people start throwing money back into crypto, some of it might end up in coins like Pepe. Just be careful. Meme coins can pump fast, but they can also drop just as quickly. Now let's look at Aptos. Aptos is a newer blockchain that's all about being super fast and secure. It's trying to solve the blockchain trilemma. That's just a fancy way of saying blockchains usually have to choose between being fast, secure, or decentralized, but Aptos is trying to do all three. Developers like building on Aptos, which is a good sign. It's one of those coins that could sneak up on people if it starts getting more attention. Then we've got Loopring. Loopring is all about making Ethereum faster and cheaper to use. You know how Ethereum can get slow and expensive when a lot of people are using it? Loopring fixes that with something called a layer 2 solution. Basically, it helps Ethereum handle more transactions without breaking a sweat. More people are also getting into decentralized exchanges where you can trade crypto without a middleman, and Loopring is perfect for that. Speaking of layers, let's talk about Layer 0. This project is all about making blockchains work together better. Right now, if you want to move money or assets from one blockchain to another, it can be a real pain. Layer 0 is trying to fix that by creating a system where blockchains can talk to each other more easily. It's still early days for Layer 0, but if they keep building and announcing new partnerships, it could get a lot of attention. Now, we can't forget about EOS. EOS has been around for a long time, and it had a lot of hype when it first launched. It's had its ups and downs since then, but the team behind it is still working on improving the platform. If they can bring in some new updates or partnerships, EOS could see a comeback in a bull market. Even older projects like EOS can get a fresh start. Finally, there's Chainlink or Link. Chainlink is like the glue that holds the crypto world together. It's an oracle, which means it helps blockchains get real-world data. For example, if a smart contract needs to know the price of something in the real world, Chainlink provides that info. Tons of projects already use Chainlink, and that's not going to change anytime soon. It's one of those coins that's always reliable, and when the market gets excited, Link usually sees some nice gains. Now let's talk about the big picture. What's going on in the crypto market right now? Well, it's kind of a mixed bag. On one hand, there's been some positive news about crypto adoption, with more companies and even countries showing interest. On the other hand, people are still cautious because of things like inflation and the economy. Bitcoin, as always, is leading the way. If Bitcoin stays strong, it'll give people confidence to start investing in other coins too. One thing to watch is something called Bitcoin dominance. That's a measure of how much of the total crypto market is in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance is high, it means people are mostly focused on Bitcoin. But when it starts to drop, that's usually when altcoins start to pump. It's like a cycle. Bitcoin moves first, and then the smaller coins follow. So there you have it. We've talked about Cardano, Filecoin, Polkadot, Pepe, Aptos, Loopring, Layer 0, EOS, and Chainlink. All of these coins have something unique going for them, and if the market picks up, they could see some nice gains. Just remember, crypto is super unpredictable, so always do your own research and be smart with your investments. All right, that's it for today. Let me know in the comments which coins you're watching, or if you think I missed any big ones. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy trading.